How to delete pages from PDF. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete pages from PDF. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do that. For that, you can head over to your browser and type in this. You can go over to this link, ilovepdf.com/remove pages, and you'll be led to this page. So from here, you just need to go ahead and tap and select PDF file and select a PDF from your device from which you want to remove the page to. For example, this PDF is something I want to remove the page from. After that, your PDF will be placed here with the pages. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the page that you want to remove. You can just go ahead and tap on it and it will come with a cross. Tap on this remove pages option in order to remove it. After that, it will be removed and you can just download up the PDF with that page removed. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.